Hi, I'm Kristen from Elevate Homes, and I'm very excited to be able to show you through our latest Elevate show home, the stunning Tilt 150. The 150 model is our largest model to date at 150 square metres, and the show home edition features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 living areas, a cocktail bar, an office nook, galley kitchen, scullery and a full-size laundry, so a lot to get through today. I'll open up these beautiful overwall stacker doors all the way up so you get the full effect, and we'll wander on inside. So welcome. We don't often get the luxury of showing off our homes with furniture in them because once they're finished they head off our site pretty quickly. But it does really show good context and just gives you an idea of what we can actually fit into these spaces. As you can see, I'm sitting on a 3-seater sofa here. We've got a good sized coffee table in front of me, occasional chair beside me, and then the side table as well. And as you can see, there's still a lot of room here for more furniture if you need it. We'll often also put a 2-seater sofa in, or another occasional chair when we do stage the homes. The other thing we often will put in is a 8-seater dining table just in front of those stacker doors and off towards the kitchen there. But as you can see, in this instance, we've got an inbuilt table, so we didn't need to do that. Right, so as much as I'm enjoying sitting here, I'm going to get off the sofa and we'll go and have a look at this beautiful entertainment wall. Okay, so this impressive entertainment wall here is a standard feature in our 150 models homes. Down the end here though, we've replaced the usual double cupboard that we'd have here with this very elegant cocktail bar. The green, subway tiles that we've used here are set up beautifully with the LED strip lighting that we've used under the open shelving. We've also included a beverage fridge here, a wine rack, and a very handy little cupboard there as well. So a very popular spot to hang out if you're entertaining. Moving along, the rest of the wall is our standard, as a standard sort of spec. We've got these beautiful double cupboards here, which have a very good amount of storage, as you can see, a lot of shelving and very deep shelving, so you can fit a lot of stuff in there. Moving along, we've got the TV recess there with over cupboards and under cupboards for your AV equipment. And then moving along, we've got a contrasting bookshelf or open shelving for display your knickknacks, and then another double cupboard at the end here. The other feature I wanted to point out in this area is the beautiful high ceiling in here. With the tilt roof line, we're able to pitch the ceiling up to sort of this angle that runs diagonally through the building. We've also added this LED lighting for that extra wow factor, and if I can work it, I think that actually changes the colour too, which is pretty cool. So there you have it. We'll now go over and have a look at this magnificent kitchen. Okay, so there's a lot to love about this very stylish and very functional kitchen. It's sort of based on our standard layout and cabinetry, but we have added a few features and variations just to give it that show home feel. But we'll start down the end here of the kitchen. We've got this beautiful black stainless steel fridge at the end here, which ties in nicely with all the other black appliances that you'll see throughout the kitchen as we go through. Next to the fridge, we've got a little hidden door here, which takes us into a scullery. Come on and have a quick look. Usually these sculleries in the 150 model are a little bit bigger than this. The wall usually gets pushed way out to the wing wall there, but we've actually put in an office nook on the other side of this that we'll see a little bit later on. But as you can see, there's still a lot of space in here and a lot of good shelving, and even we've sort of added some little drawers in here, which are great as well. So that's the scullery. If we want to come out of there, we'll go back to this island area. We've got this beautiful inbuilt dining table here, which is in the same material as the bench. It looks great, but it's also a really good space saver. You're not encroaching on the main living area, so you've got your dining all contained here, and and you can comfortably fit sort of 7 to 8 people, which is great. If you want to have a look around the front of the island, usually we'd have like an alcove running along there to fit your bar stools, but because we've sort of contained the seating down at this end, we decided to make it sort of a more contemporary block style look and added more cupboards in the front there, which is always a good option in a transportable home, having more storage. This bench top is it's beautiful. It's a laminam. It's called laminam, and it's a Italian porcelain slab. We usually would use an engineered stone bench top, but we went for this one purely because it looked great in the kitchen, toned in with all the colours, and it's a lovely bench top as well. Here you'll see we've got our usual goose neck tap, which is usually a black one, but we've actually gone for a gunmetal grey finish, which we've carried on in the bathrooms and the ensuite as well, which is really lovely. And that's this side of the island. We might just pop around here to the hob side. Hob side has got the same laminate on the as the bench top. It also goes up into the splashback and then up behind this open shelving, which gives a really lovely seamless look. In the show home here, we've got the usual range hood, hob top here, and the wall oven at the end there. The additions for the show home are this black Panasonic microwave, and then we've also got the double dish drawer black stainless steel one on the island bench there. So the cabinetry, as I said, cabinetry and layout in here are all is based on our standard plan. The only difference really is that we've got open shelving on either side of the range hood rather than the two cupboards that we'd normally have on this side. Everything else is pretty much our standard. So that's the kitchen area. We'll go now and have a little nosy into the laundry. Okay, so I'm at the end of the kitchen now, and behind this hidden door is the laundry. So come on in and have a look. Right, it's a very well set up laundry. We've got the back door there going off to a future washing line, and if you come on in, we've got a set of 2 cupboards above there, 4 cupboards in total. Open shelving at the end with a really handy little rail there as well. Coming down on, we've got a big bench there with the lovely gunmetal grey tap again, big sink, another cupboard underneath, and then space for a washer dryer underneath the bench. At the end here, we've got a really good size, like a huge linen cupboard with space there on the side for that's got your space for your vacuum cleaner and brooms and things as well, so for tall items as well. So that's pretty short and sweet. This is the laundry. We'll go now and have a look at the other end of the house. Okay, so I'm down the other end of the kitchen now. Just want to come down the little hallway here into this office alcove or nook. It's just sort of hidden away behind that wing wall to give you a little bit of peace and quiet, but it's also close enough to the main living area there so you can sort of still hear or see what's going on if you need to. These office nooks aren't in our standard plan, our standard 150 plan, but they are becoming an increasingly popular addition with more people working from home. Quite a handy little area. So behind this cavity slider, we've got the master bedroom suite. So come on through into here. So this just follows our standard layout again. We've got a lovely sliding window on this wall, and then on the bedhead wall we've got the 2 bedside windows, which can be moved in and out depending on the size of your bed or bedhead. Over the other side of the room we've got the walk-in wardrobe, which is a really good size wardrobe. We've just upgraded. We usually have a shelf and rail fit out in here, but we have actually upgraded that slightly to include a few more drawers and open shelving. But that can all be talked about at your client design meeting, and we can put in whatever you sort of want there. Next door to that, we've got the ensuite. So come on in here. As I mentioned earlier, we've got this beautiful sort of gunmetal grey fittings in here, which actually tie in really nicely with the aluminium joinery. I think that's why we kind of did it. Everything else, though, other than that colour change, everything else is standard. We've got the toilet behind here, behind the privacy wall, and then we've got our standard vanity here, which is your double drawer vanity in there, which is quite nice, soft close. And then in the corner here we've got the frameless glass shower, which is always a good option. So that's this end of the house. We'll now go down the other end of the house to have a look at the second living area, the 2 guest bedrooms and the bathroom. Okay, so I'm here at the end of the entertainment wall. You want to just come on through into the second living area. We've painted the walls in here a really lovely dark smoky green colour just to promote a feeling of relaxation and to give it a really cosy feel. In terms of layout, we've got 2 bedrooms going off each side here, and then we've got the main bathroom over on this wall here. I'd also just like to point out this area here. We usually would have the louvers with a large window, portrait style window, but we've just added the French doors to the show home, which just is quite handy if you're wanting to separate, you know, this area from the main area of the home, and just allow people to come and go, you know, kids or guests to come and go as they please through those doors there. But come on over, we'll have a look at the bathroom first of all. So come on in here. It's the same sort of bathroom wear and fixtures and things that you saw in the ensuite with the gunmetal grey finish, same vanity and shower and toilet. The only addition here that we've sort of shuffled around this room a little bit is to fit in the bath, which is not standard feature in the 150 home, but it is a popular add-on, especially for, you know, parents with young kids. Seems to be where we would add it in. If you'd like to come on through, I'll back up, you'll back up, and we'll come into bedroom 2 and through here. So the bedroom sizes the best guest bedroom sizes in the 150 home are really good size. They're about 3.5 by 3.2. And just for reference, I just thought I'd point out that these beds that we're using here are the queen size beds. So you can see you've got a good sort of amount of access around the bed, and there's plenty of room for your bedside tables, whatever sort of size they are. The other features in these bedrooms are these gorgeous, you know, walk-in wardrobes, just wardrobes, floor-to-ceiling doors there. So a good amount of storage in those. But if you wanted to come over, we'll come out of here and we'll go and have a look at the next bedroom through the second living area into bedroom 3. Excuse me, which is the final room of the house, and it's exactly the same, really, same layout as the one we've just come from. So that ends the tour of this beautiful home. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you're interested in coming and seeing the home in person, please just give us a call or visit our website to arrange a viewing. The other thing I wanted to point out in here, if you've been admiring the beautiful furniture as we've been walking through, that was provided by the lovely folk at Hoose in Cambridge. So visit their website as well, or even better, go in and have a look. They've got 2 stores in town, so if you're ever in the neighbourhood, well worth a visit. But that's this home here today, so thank you very much for watching, and we'll say bye for now. So some exciting news. This show home is now for sale and is ready for delivery to your site in August 2023, so this year. It comes fully complete, as you saw it in the video, just without the furniture. It includes all the appliances, all of the TVs, and the hardwood deck is also available for sale. So if you want more information about the show home sale, please visit our website. We've got a specific show home webpage there with the price, specifications and floor plan, or you can just give us a call and we'd be very happy to chat with you further.